Patel, the Iron Man of our India. So when we think about his life always reminds us the unity is not only a word. Unity is not only a word. Unity binds the people irrespective of their religion, irrespective of their language, irrespective of their culture. Now, you may have different religion, you may be from different regional wisdom, you may be of different culture, but as a whole, our India is called as a
of Asian Mission School solemnly pledge to uphold the spirit of unity, peace, and integrity of our great nation.
National Unity Day on account of that, and also major focus on the cyber crime. And as a students, this is our responsibility we have as a citizen of our country. The young minds should we should have a unityness. Unity is important, and as Sir was sharing the importance of unity about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on his 150th years birth anniversary, we as a students, we as a denizens of Chandpur, we as an education department of Chandpur should take a oath that we as a student will have unity among the classroom, the harmony among the classroom. We will love our friends. We will not have any hatredness. We will not have any misunderstanding between every one of us. We as a children love together. We as a children work together.